We're looking at the right rear corner of my 1996 P38 Range Rover. And what we're going to do in this video is demonstrate the new EAS sensor arms that I've fabricated and show you the articulation that they're able to achieve. They're basically able to achieve much higher height, and of course they're able to achieve the full lowest extent of the articulation of this vehicle. Now, some recalibration will be necessary to use these EAS sensor arms. But these new sensor arms basically allow you to have longer shocks in the rear and are a much simpler and less expensive replacement solution if they were to break.